Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Here we solve questions from IIT JAM examination. So let's have a question for today's video. The question is, which of the following is true for protein synthesis only in prokaryotes? The options are translation and transcription are coupled. The codon AUG codes for start signal. The third option is the tRNA anticodon bind to two different codons. And the option D is the functional ribosome contains two subunits constructed of proteins and RNA. So this is a 2-mark MCQ type of question from paper of Biotechnology 2017. So let's solve this question today. So as always, we'll go through each and every option one by one. Okay. So starting with the first option. The first option says that translation and transcription are coupled. Okay. So let's see what is this. Here I have shown two diagrams. This is for prokaryotes. This is for eukaryotes. See what happens in prokaryotes. This is a prokaryotic cell and inside that the DNA, the genetic material is present. So using this genetic material, this mRNA is getting synthesized. Okay, this red one. And simultaneously at the same time there is a protein synthesis going on. These green one are ribosomes and they are synthesizing polypeptide chain. That is, protein is getting synthesized simultaneously. So this is called as a coupled transcription and translation. Okay. Now, in case of eukaryotes, what happens? In the nucleus, there is a process of transcription using the genetic material mRNA is synthesized. It comes out of the nucleus. Okay, and then in the cytoplasm there is a process of translation takes place. So here the difference is there in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In case of eukaryotes, this process is compartmentalized, like the two different compartments are used for the process of transcription and translation, while in case of prokaryote that is not the condition. And these two processes are coupled. Okay, so here itself we get the answer for this MCQ, that is the first option is the correct answer. But let's see what our other options say. We always do this for every question. So let's go to the next option. The second option is the codon AUG codes for start signal. So when we think there are three initiator codons, AUG, GUG or UUG, but AUG is a very common and that is common for both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So this is a true for both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. And the question is asking about only prokaryotes. So this is not the correct answer for the given question. Now, this third option explains that the tRNA anticodon can bind to two of different codons. So this can be explained by Vobel hypothesis. Here, tRNA anticodon loop is shown. It is having AGG as a anticodon and it can bind to UCC or UCU. So the third nucleotide may vary in this codon, right? So these two can bind, or some cases 3 of the options are there for binding of this anticodon to this codon, and this is the case with both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So again this is not the condition which is take place only in a prokaryotes. So this is common for both. So for answering the question, this is not the correct answer. The next fourth option is the functional ribosome contains two subunits constructed of proteins and RNA. So when we say ribosome, it's a combination of protein and RNA. Okay. So in both the cases, in prokaryotes as well as in eukaryotes, the ribosomes are having two subunits. One is a small subunit, another is a large subunit. And both the subunits are containing some number of proteins and some of the RNA. So list I have given here. In case of prokaryotic ribosome, the total weight it is a 70s. It is 30s is a small subunit and 50s is a large subunit. In case of 30s subunit, there is approximately 21 proteins are present and 16s RNA is there. S is for Svedberg unit. Remember this. And in case of 50S, 34 proteins are there, whereas 2 RNAs are there, 23S and 5S. So similarly, in case of eukaryotes, 80S is the total ribosome and it is having two subunits. Small is having 40S and large one is 60S. And accordingly, I have given here the number of proteins and which RNAs are present in which subunit. So with reference to our question, both prokaryotes and eukaryotes are having two subunits in their ribosome. So the answer for this question is option A. Translation and transcription are coupled in prokaryotes. Okay, so now it's time to have a question for my next video. My next video will be very interesting and it is very important also because I am going to discuss what is IIT JAM examination. Now, as you know, in the September first week itself, the forms for the exam are going to out. So you have to fill that form. So before filling, just try to understand what is this examination, what is the scope, how you have to fill the form, what is a pattern paper. So all these things I am going to discuss in my next video. So don't miss my videos. Keep watching and also like, subscribe and share and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.